Hey guys! Today we're gonna test out vlogging in this GoPro Hero session because it's so small and it's so cool. The sound, however, might not be very good. So I don't know if it's better to have something that you can carry everywhere and vlog on anytime, or better sound, or at least bearable sound. You know what I mean? So we'll see how it works out. Wait, what are you eating? Nothing to worry about. It's not crayons. It's not a piece of marker. An old raisin. Old Cheerios. No. It's old orange. No, I gave him oranges. We're off to our first adventure on the GoPro. I'm pretty sure it's much more stable. Because, it's a lot lighter. Right, Bobby? What's up, tarong guys? Gaan sa desk. Taga na, yellow. That's pollen. Hey guys. Ngilag mo gani ah. Nya koy. Nya.
Stay over here. Animal with the stick. This one's the perfect one. This one. It's as long as the camera. Yay!
I'm falling for you.
Touch me, I'm falling for you. Yan, tuplok-tuplok naman na yan. Woo! Woo! Yeah.
I don't need my driver's license, people. Stop. Push on.
I think you're too big for this. Go back and forth. Oh, you're gonna crash. Go this way. Go. Just
You're not
yeah, just like press. Go, go.
No, I'm the driver.
No, go back and
No,
press.
I'm the driver.
Oh my goodness.
Ta-da.
Where are you going? Yeah, go.
You over again.
Where'd my charger go?
The green.
Natural filter.
The green thing.
Flavors. Oh my god, why are we walking so slow? Let's walk faster. Oh my god. Wait, say thank you.
I did. In my head. Thanks, Alex.
Can Dad have some?
He's like, what?
What?
Is it good?
Ano man?
Cookie dough.
Ang puti ba? Cookie dough? Ah, vanilla?
Yeah, Deb. There you go.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
These are the perks of not being loved by Gab. I get to have my own ice cream. Oh no, it got on his special bracelet. Yeah, just eat it, Gab. It's fine.
No.
No! Oh.
Where you going, Gab? Gab, come back here. Come back. Return.
Oh. Sorry about that.
Wait, there's a trash can right here. If you don't like you, will obey you. No, it's not when you want it.
These are red fingers.
Yeah, I know.
Run to the car.
Georgie! Where's Georgie's door? Or not?
Why are they so big?
Georgie!
Why is this so funny? Why do you like seeing people be evil? You need to brush your teeth when you get home.
You do it.
What exactly am I doing?
Na. Na.
Put this here.